Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, and today we'll be talking about the free demo class that we are providing for the assistant director post in the census technical that we discussed previously. And I also discussed, we released the date of launching the batch of this particular vacancy in the coming 26th of July. So, since you already know, and as we already promised, that we'll be bringing you uh, with a course of, or with a 4 month course of complete crash course, in which we'll be conducting everything from the very basic level to the very high level, and we'll be dealing with every detail in this topic about population studies, about our sampling methods, and everything in very detail. So, as you already know, that UPSC gives this vacancy in 2 to 3 years. Last time it was held in 2023, and this time in 2026 it is coming. The vacancy of it has come, and this is a great opportunity for all the statisticians out there who know their worth and know that they can clear this exam and directly enroll them into the assistant statistical post, where they'll be heading of their teams in the census area, which is the utmost important part of our Indian demography. And you all know the everything that we are going through, from the very basic, the GDP of our country, the invested household income, the all the health surveys, all the national surveys are conducted under census only. So census plays a very important role, and the more important role the census plays, you are also at that position where you will be heading that important role, and you will be helping out your country. This is a very good opportunity for all of you. So we are bringing the session as we promised from 26th of July 2026, and on 26th of July 2026 we will be beginning with the first class. This will be a demo class to the ones who want to take it as demo, and will be a course class for the ones who are actual ready for it and are very serious towards their preparation. Take it as a course class only. In that, we'll be taking some of the PYQs, we'll be dealing some of the topics, how I will be explaining it to you. Don't waste your time. Time is very less. Last year it was held in the first week of November, and this year also it will be held like that. So we only have 3 months in our hands. So let us utilize all of that. And for the ones who are interested and filled up the form, the free demo classes will be arranged on our application. So you all can download our application, which is Startup Academy. And those who have downloaded, well and good. Those who haven't downloaded, they can ask us on WhatsApp channel, and we'll be helping you out in the downloading and the registration. Registration on this app is very much important, because you will be allowed to attend the class only when you register. Once you pre-register it before the time of the class or the session, then only you will be allowed to join the session. Otherwise, you won't be able to join it. And it is very important for all of you, since you all know that there is hardly any time for wasting about this. In course, we'll be providing everything in detail, the PDFs, the notes, and even the mocks paper. Everything is included in the course. And we'll be also talking about the outline of the course in the demo session, so that you know how are we going to attempt everything in the course. And we'll be discussing very detail about the exam and the PYQs and the mock papers, and your doubt sessions also will be there, and everything is being provided to you. It is a great opportunity for all of you. And since you all know that it is that we are ISS, we are Startup Academy exclusively for ISS. But since this examination is similar to the ISS exam syllabus, so we have taken the initiative to conduct this exams demo, and this exams proper coaching, and this is how we are representing to you, and it will be very beneficial to all of you. So go ahead and enroll in our batches, or enroll in the register on our app, so that you can find it easy for tomorrow's demo session. All the best. Thank you.